So if you want to make $100 per day online in 2020, these are my 5 best websites to help you do it. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Lester Diaz, and in this channel we talk about making money online, affiliate marketing, social media marketing, and everything in between. So if you're new, consider subscribing. For most people, making $100 per day would be something life-changing. I remember when I hit my milestone of making $100 per day, and that was a huge day for me, because from that point on I knew that I had the skills and knowledge to be able to make $100 per day every single day. Because if you can do it one day, then that means you now have the possibility of making it every single day. Because from this point on, you have more resources to scale your business to be able to make over $100 per day, to make $200, $300 per day. And so I started thinking, what are some of the best 5 websites that you can use in 2020 if you were to start from scratch to make $100 per day. And that's exactly what I'm going to share with you in this video, how you can utilize these 5 websites to make $100 per day in 2020. So let's start with number 5, and number 5 is Fiverr. Now, if you don't know about Fiverr, this is a huge freelance marketplace where you can sign up for a free account and you can offer all types of services in regards to basically anything that you can do online. The best thing about Fiverr is that it doesn't matter what type of skill you have. You probably have something that you can offer on Fiverr, because there's hundreds of categories on which you can offer your services, and you can charge anywhere between $5, $10, $20, even $100 for your services. Now, even if you think that you don't have any skills that you can offer on Fiverr, you can go ahead and watch this video, because I show you how I made over $4,000 on Fiverr, basically offering a service that I didn't know anything about. I simply utilized free resources online to offer my service, and it took me less than 10 minutes to be able to offer those services, and I made a few $1,000s doing this. So it is definitely possible to make over $100 per day on Fiverr. It's all about what type of services you're offering, how many gigs you have on Fiverr, and also how well you promote your offers. Now, because Fiverr has become more popular, it's going to be a little bit difficult for you to get your first few sales, but once you get those first few sales, Fiverr is going to promote your gigs a lot more, allowing you to get more sales. So whatever gigs you're promoting on Fiverr, you can utilize Facebook groups to basically offer your services and help you get those first 20-25 sales. Once you get those first 20-25 sales, from that point on, Fiverr is going to help you promote your gigs a lot more. The reason why most people don't make money on Fiverr is because they simply create a gig and they just sit back and just wait for the orders to come in. It just doesn't work like that. You actually have to go out there and promote it on Facebook groups, on forums. You can promote it by email. You can do different things to help you get those first 25 sales. These days, Fiverr has become a massive website. So there's more competition, and because there's more competition, you have to stand out and promote your gigs. And one of the key aspects of being able to make $100 per day on Fiverr is finding a high quality service that is in high demand. And trust me, most likely you'll find something that you can do and you can offer on Fiverr. All right, so let's talk about number 4, and number 4 is Upwork. Now, Upwork is for people who have a little bit more experience as a freelancer and they want to be able to charge more money. Upwork is a website that I have used in the past many times to find new clients for my coaching business, for marketing services, for all types of services that I offer, because this is the #1 place online where business owners actually go and look for freelancers that they want to hire to work on their business. And I've worked with many clients on Upwork, and I've been able to make a good amount of money, mainly because on Upwork you can charge per hour. You can charge $10, $15, $20 an hour depending on your experience, and it allows you to value your time a little bit more. I know people who make a full-time living just using Upwork alone by simply getting new jobs every single month, and sometimes they work on a project for months and they're able to make a full-time income doing this. And the good news is that you will never run out of projects to bid on, because there's hundreds if not thousands of new projects to bid on every single day. So you can definitely find a client that's going to pay you $500, $1,000 for a project, or you can find someone who's going to hire you for 4 hours and pay you, $200 for doing that. I've used Upwork many times to find clients that paid me thousands of dollars to help them with marketing services, Facebook marketing, YouTube marketing, things like that. And that's the only place where you can typically find those type of clients. Otherwise, you have to go and advertise it yourself and find those clients yourself. But on Upwork, you'll find an unlimited number of business owners looking for freelancers every single day. So number 3 is Instagram. And Instagram is one of the biggest social media websites in the world right now. Millions of users every single day, and one of the biggest opportunities for anyone who wants to monetize social media content. And one of the best ways to make $100 per day on Instagram is by building unique audiences in specific niches. And I talk about this in this video, which you guys can go and watch in the description below, where basically I show you exactly what I mean by building specific niche pages that can make you $100 per day. But in a nutshell, if you have a large audience, if you have 10,000 followers, 20,000, 100,000 followers on Instagram, this allows you to reach a lot of people, which means you can promote different offers, from affiliate marketing offers to your own offers, to basically make money shouting out other pages and people and profiles that pay you. And the more followers you have, the easier it's going to be for you to make $100 per day, because if you're selling shout outs, for example, and shouting out someone on your page, you can charge $50 to do that, or you can charge $100. Just depends on how big your audience is, which is why it might be a good investment to grow your Instagram following to hundreds of thousands of new followers, because if you do that, you'll be able to make money in different ways, not just with affiliate marketing, not just promoting your own offers, but you have more possibilities of making money because now you have an audience. So I highly advise that in 2020, you spend the time to grow your Instagram following, whether that's a specific niche page that you want to grow or your personal profile, because this is going to help you make more money in 2020, and most likely it's going to help you make over $100 per day if you use it properly. Number two, it's YouTube. And for obvious reasons, YouTube is one of the best platforms for anyone to start making money online, mainly because it requires no money to get started. You basically just sign up for a free Google account, you open a YouTube account, and you start uploading videos. And the possibilities are truly endless because you have multiple ways of making money with YouTube. I make money through the YouTube Partner Program. I make money with affiliate marketing. I make money promoting my own products. I make money in different ways because of YouTube and because it allows me to build an audience in a specific niche. So again, building an audience is one of the best things that you can do, whether that's on YouTube or Instagram or anywhere else. If you have an audience of people who actually consume your content, this is going to allow you to make money in different ways, because you have millions of people every single day watching videos, searching for videos on YouTube, and you have the possibility to get in front of those people and promote anything that you want to promote. And the way to build a YouTube channel is not by actually selling every single day. The way you build a YouTube channel is by providing value. That doesn't really mean that you have to create this type of videos that I'm doing. You can create value in different ways, and there's many different YouTube channels out there that provide value in different ways by teaching specific topics or talking about their lives or sharing their experience. So you don't necessarily need to do this type of videos like I'm doing right now if you want to grow a YouTube channel. You do have to actually spend the time to create valuable content, create videos, and upload new videos every single week. And if you want to do that but you don't enjoy the process, it's going to be very difficult for you, because you have to enjoy the process, because in the beginning you're not going to make a lot of money, but once you become consistent with your content, you understand your audience, it's going to be a lot easier for you to make $100 per day, because those $100 per day could be from affiliate sales, from the YouTube ad revenue, from promoting your own stuff if you want to do that. And like I said, it's going to be one of the best ways for you to make money online in 2020. So let's talk about number one, and my number one is Facebook, and mainly because I've been using Facebook for the past 3 years to make a full-time income online. This is where I created my first few Facebook pages with hundreds of thousands of new likes, allowing me to make money with affiliate marketing, blogging, many different methods that I use on Facebook to make money. Facebook now has multiple ways to make money online, because it allows you to make money with something called Facebook Instant Articles. It also allows you to make money with something called Facebook Video Ad Breaks, which is very similar to YouTube. In fact, a few days ago I posted this video, which you guys can go and watch if you want to learn more about video ad breaks. The concept is quite similar to YouTube and Instagram. It's much easier on Facebook to build followings of pages of thousands of new likes, mainly because you can pay. You can utilize Facebook ads to grow Facebook pages to hundreds of thousands of new likes very, very fast. And so I've built multiple Facebook pages to hundreds of thousands of new likes extremely fast, allowing me to make money in different ways. So you could be brand new on Facebook, you can start a Facebook page, and in a course of 90 days, you can have 10,000 followers if you know exactly what to do. And I have a ton of free videos on my YouTube channel that can teach you how to get followers on Facebook, how to get lots of likes, how to get engagement, and how to monetize your content. So it is definitely possible for someone to start a Facebook page at the beginning of 2020, and then at the end of 2020, that Facebook page could be making a few $1,000s per month. So it's all about taking action and being consistent. It doesn't matter what type of platform you use, whether it's YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. It's all about consistency. If you're able to create content, spend time, and if you have the money and resources to grow, to get results a lot faster, it's going to be a lot easier for you to make money and make those $100 per day. So these are my top 5 websites for 2020 if you want to make $100 per day. If you guys enjoy this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already, because I post videos like this every single week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.